Boom, welcome guys to Kyle Shumway. This is Taylor. You may recognize her from some films such as Brock and Boston and The Shumway Show.
I'm Taylor and I'm 14.
What? 14?
Yeah.
Okay, she's my daughter. I think, I hope, fingers crossed. Okay, so what are we doing today?
We're going to be cutting open this Apple Watch.
Oh yes, an Apple Watch.
It doesn't have the band on it, but it is an Apple Watch.
No band, you can see it's brand new. Look at that. Brand new, we just went and bought it. Psych! It's not brand new at all. So let me tell you what happened. Last month we went to Hawaii. Freaking amazing trip. You probably saw the photo shoot video I did with Michelle. On our way there, we're going through TSA, Transportation Security Administration. We're going through the security line at the airport and I'm taking off my shoes, I'm taking my laptop out of my bag, I'm taking my camera out of my bag, I'm taking everything out. And I also put my watch in the bin, you know? And then I kind of like push it forward. We had a lot of people just pushing stuff forward. And the Transportation Security Administration agent was just like shuffling stuff around, moving stuff around. And she went and she like lifted something up and my watch like flew out of the bin and it smacked the ground so hard it just totally shattered.
Yeah.
And I was so bugged. I was like, you just shattered my watch. And she's like, why'd you take off your watch? You don't have to take off your watch.
Explain yourself.
And I was like, oh my gosh. Like maybe even just like, goodness, sorry about that. Might have been cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, so that's the history of why my watch is shattered. So anyway, let's cut this watch open. How we've got this guy. Watch. We got that.
Okay.
We have a razor blade. Okay, it's a sharp one. And I wanted to, maybe what we should do is just see if we can pry up some of these pieces of glass and see if we can get, at least like get a look at the screen first.
That's a good idea before we cut it open.
Do you want to?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Taylor's going to, oh wait, okay, here's some gloves.
Oh yeah. These are so big. Okay, let's see if I can like.
Taylor's gonna try to just like pry it apart with the razor blade.
Oh, I got something. Oh, look, I'm getting some glass. It's weird. It's not like glass. It's like sticky. Ooh, and then you can see underneath the glass, there's the actual screen. Let's keep working at it. On there pretty good.
Wow, good job, Tay.
Thank you.
Just peeling that off.
Okay, so look, so you peeled it off, and you can tell it's like, it's sticky, like this is kind of sticky.
Okay.
And then, I think,
no.
Oh, well, it looks
yeah,
sticky.
pry that open. Let's bust it open. See if we can just peel up this whole thing right here. Okay, so we've got the screen here, and we have the battery underneath. Oh. As you can see, the battery has gotten wet. Got some oxidizing over here. It's got some controls over here too. Okay, so the screen has come off. We have some contact points here and these data strips here. Taylor, pull on that. See what happens. Ugh. That's just gonna rip off.
Ooh, they're sticky.
I'm gonna see if I can get the battery out. Yeah, see, we pried out the battery. It's connected in there some more. Do not eat this. You can tell it's swollen, probably because it got wet.
Yeah.
What else is in there? Taptic engine, it says. I think this is like the processor or something. Oh, I just broke my razor blade.
Oh, really?
trying to get that out of there, but I don't know. Ah! Oh yeah, we'd have to unscrew that thing right there to get it to release, I think.
Yeah.
Oh look, yeah, I just broke it, peeled it up off, but I don't think that did anything. I'm disconnecting a connection here, see that? It's crazy the tiny engineering goes into this. Anyway, this processor is pretty well fixated in there. What I think we should do now is just cut it in half.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Totally agree.
Okay, Taylor, I'm gonna do this part. You put my noise canceling headphones in.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
I've been tick tocking, big bocking, jig jocking. I've been flick flocking, jig jocking, nick knocking, jocking. Okay, one thing I've already noticed, this is significantly tougher to cut than the iPad was. Like, this is way tougher. I think this might be like a harder metal. I thought they were both aluminum, but I think this one's harder. I think we got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look at the insides. Right here, I don't know what happened right here. I guess I know what happened, but this looks like it's some like a connectivity thing, like this wire thing right here. I think this is what senses your heart rate. And I think I was right. I think this is the processor right in here. See that? And then maybe this is the memory down in here actually. Looks like we have some memory down in here. Oh, this is a cool plate underneath here. Let's see what that says. Yeah, this is like a cool like Apple plate or something that I drilled through. I don't know what it says, Apple and then the letter S. Let's see what else. Should we cut the battery open or no? Actually, yeah, let's just cut it open here. See this? It's just layers of metal, essentially. Layers of soft metal, lithium. See that? It's pretty cool. And this stuff, you can smell it. It's definitely toxic. Can you smell that?
That's strong.
Yeah, it's strong. Keep your eyes away from this. And we definitely will dispose of this responsibly. What else? I think that's basically it. Let's see if there might be something underneath this side of the processor. Oh yeah, see, okay, we got this separated from the frame. There's the outside frame here. And looks like the processor is still stuck to that. Held in there really nicely. if I do say so myself. See that? Okay, and the frame, it's got some wiring harnesses and things there as well.
Okay guys, so that wraps up cutting open the Apple Watch, and it was so crazy. Like, I'm just glad I have a smart person right here that knows what everything is, because if I were cutting it open, I'd be like, I don't know what this is, but
it's like a whole phone.
It really is.
Inside a tiny space.
Yeah, it's so true. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Make sure you subscribe.
Go follow me on TikTok, I guess. All 12 of you. That'd be great.
He's making lots of cool TikToks over there too. So.
And also comment if there's anything else you guys want us to cut open. Our Hydro Flask video did great, and we just want to know if there's anything else you guys want us to cut open. We'll do anything.
Yeah.
Let's cut open a Tesla. That's kind of my goal, to cut open a Tesla. Just like chop it right in half, just like we did with this. We need like industrial lasers. Goes zoom.
Yeah.
I'm thinking something like right out of The Incredibles.
Laser ride.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.